What's going on, my friend? Garrett Beery here. Welcome to this video where I'm going to get into the email processing system. Okay, now if you're brand new to my channel or to me, I've been online for the last 4 years and I've been blessed to help hundreds of people actually make their first dollar online. And lately I've been using this system and helping other people use this system. So inside of this video, whether you're researching email processing system, maybe you've been looking into this for a while, or maybe you've just heard about it right now, either way, at the end of this video, my goal is that you're gonna understand whether or not you truly want to go forward with this. My personal belief is this is one of the easiest and simplest ways that anyone can start making money online, whether they're brand new or whether they've struggled in the past, or they just want to add another income stream with not a lot of effort or time. So first off, let me just share with you some of the results that my team with the email processing system have been getting, so you can realize you can actually listen to me and you can see that we're getting results. So this person right here inside one of our private Facebook communities, they said, I'm a beginner and I made an incredible $153 for 3 days. Okay, I'm very excited. And they posted their balance in PayPal, and as you can see, they've actually got deposited over $150 with just 3 days of simple work each day, which I'm going to get into more on what they did to achieve this. Here's another person, Nicole. Okay, they said, I had to work around Facebook issues, but still bringing them in. And she means, bringing in deposits. And you can see that she was able to make over $90 in a single day just using our proven system and the training that you get. Okay, so I want to share a email processing system team update. A lot of people that are watching this that are already on my team, or they've been researching, and I want to share with you an update on the exciting news that a person can actually access when they partner with our team, because we're constantly working, we're constantly improving and streamlining it to make it the easiest and simplest way that anyone, no matter if they have a job and they don't have much time, maybe they're 80 years old and they're not very technical, whatever the case may be, we're constantly refining it so anyone can get results. Now, first off, when you join and partner with our team, through my personal link, which I'll include if you're watching this on YouTube below, or maybe you're watching it somewhere else, I'm gonna have a link where you can go ahead and get started with this. But you're gonna get 100 pre-written ads that you can start to post to generate interest today. Okay, so what happens is the way you make money, basically in a nutshell, is you go online and you post ads, you post advertisement, and some interested people are going to respond. And when you get those interested people to buy the product that we're promoting, which is training on online marketing, you actually get paid. Okay, and that's how you make money. So you need to be posting ads. Now, what we actually do so you can just hit the ground running and make as much money as possible, as quick as possible, is we actually give you 100 pre-written done-for-you ads that you can just copy and paste on Facebook, on your Instagram, on Twitter to start getting interested people. Now, the next thing we're going to give you when you partner with me today is we're going to actually give you tons of over-the-shoulder video training. Okay, a lot of people, when they get started with the system, the training is lacking. Over the last 4 years, I've experienced that. I've been in systems where the training was just not very good. But with this system, and when you partner with this system today, with me personally, in my experience, every single step is shown in extreme detail. We make sure that it lets even the most brand new newbie finally achieve success online. I wrote on there, nothing is left out. And I mean, you get everything from how to build friends on your Facebook, because if you don't have many friends, not many people are going to see your posts. So how to build the right type of friends quickly, how to gain a bigger Instagram following, what to say in messages when people reach out, how to post on Craigslist to get ads while you're sleeping, to get sales while you're sleeping. Tons and tons of things over the shoulder, click by click. You can just keep going through it and you're going to learn it. That's our guarantee, really. You're going to get added to our 24/7 support Facebook community. Okay, so you're never going to feel stranded or lost again. You're always going to get your questions answered. A lot of people have joined things in the past and their sponsor, their upline, the team is nowhere to be found. We've really done a great job with the email processing system and our team specifically, where we focus on support and getting people's answers, their questions answered. So you're going to get added to a massive Facebook community when you join that you can always just come to for questions, or if you need any tweaks or things like that. You're also going to get access and this is something relatively new, which I'm really excited about, you're gonna get access to our proof group to make quick sales, okay? Because really what's gonna get people interested is showing results. But you may be wondering, well, Garrett, this is amazing, but I don't have my own results. How do I show results that I don't yet have? Well, we actually have created a Facebook group where people on the team are posting their sales, posting deposits, posting money they're making, and you can actually go in there and use their proof to get your own results. One of my top multimillionaire mentors once said, you use your last result to get your next result. So you're gonna leverage your team's results, post that, and then you're gonna get interest, you're gonna get your own sales, your own results, and then you can just show your own results and get more sales. And that's what I've been able to do, over the last 4 years. All right, so now I'm on my Facebook profile, and I just wanna share with you something really powerful, because a lot of people ask me, what do people actually think when they join email processing system? What are real people that maybe haven't done this before, or maybe they've done something in the past and they weren't happy? What are they saying about this powerful system and our own personal team inside of the system? Well, let me go ahead and zoom in real quick, because I just yesterday, at the time of recording this, posted this post, because what had happened was, make sure you can see it, okay? What had happened was someone reached out to me who was a member, one of the newest members that joined a few days ago, and they said, Garrett, if the price to join our email processing system team ever goes up, how will I be able to get people to join me? And I basically said, it's all about value. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter whether it's $100 to join, $200, even $2,000. If you're getting value, if you're getting, proven training that's going to help you get results, it doesn't matter what you're spending, because you're going to make tenfold. And I started getting comments of people that had joined, and I just want to share with you, this person right here, love our team. They joined recently. Bruce here, best opportunity ever. Okay, this guy right here, one of our newest members, he's like, the value you receive from the EPS, email processing system, far exceeds the price. If you know about online marketing and writing ad copies, it can cost in the thousands for you to acquire this knowledge. And I liked it, and it was absolutely incredible, because he understands that the value that you get when you partner with us today is going to far exceed the measly $100. It's a $100 investment to get at the pro level, which I highly recommend. It's the most popular level. It's a one-time investment. If you're watching this, again, there's going to be a link directly below to get started. And it's astronomically mind-blowing how much value we actually give away for that one time. You'd have to spend $1,000, $2,000 I've seen people invest for something, and you're not even getting close to this. So it's highly underpriced. And Larry right here, he joined recently. Well said, that value is why I came in at the $100 level, okay? So, it's absolutely incredible. Last thing I want to share with you, my friend, inside of this powerful video is the bonus training that you're actually going to get at the different levels. Because if you join certain people in email processing system, you're just going to get the basic system, but you're not going to actually get any bonus training. When you partner with me today, we're going to throw in a massive amount of bonus training depending on what level you actually decide to join, right? And depending on what level you decide to get started, decide to make a decision to join, that's going to dictate what you get access to. So really quick, and you can go ahead again at the link below, you can get taken to this page and see it more close up. I'm doing my best to show you, but I can just read it off. Basically, the bonus training, so there's a $25 basic level. And again, this is the basic level. Yes, you can succeed at this level. And yes, people ask me, can you upgrade later? But you ideally want to come in at the $100 level, which I'll cover in a second. But for the bonus training, basically you get 24/7 support. You always get added to our Facebook group. You're going to get step-by-step training, and you're going to get the basic Craigslist and Facebook training, okay? And you are going to get those 100 ads that you can start posting, but you're not going to get the Instagram training. You're not going to get the way to make actually autopilot money and stuff like that. So it's great, but I highly recommend going at least for the 50 and ideally the 100. Now at the $50 level, the bonus training you're going to get is Instagram. Okay, this is going to be a little bit more advanced Instagram training. You're going to get Craigslist domination, which is a little bit more advanced Craigslist, what to do, different tweaks we've learned. The Facebook takeover, and the closing script that has closed 90% of our sales. Okay, so when people reach out to you and message, you're going to see exactly what to say word for word to get those people wanting to buy, to get people to want to take action. Okay, and last but not least, the $100 level, you basically get access to all the previous levels and the YouTube total takeover, which me personally, you're probably watching this on YouTube. I've used YouTube to make a majority of my sales, and you're actually going to get access to that. You're also going to get access to the Instagram 5K formula, a way to automate your Instagram so you can build followers and sales on autopilot. And you're going to get 5K blueprint access, which is the exact step-by-step plan you can start doing to make 5K or more per month. So there we go, my friend. Thanks so much for sticking around to the very end. That tells me you're serious and you're probably very interested in joining. So how exactly do you get started, and how exactly do you get access to all these incredible bonuses? Well, you want to either do one of two things. You can either contact me, okay? Now, when you contact me, or join me, you're basically getting the ability to work with a top earner and respected leader. I've been online for the last 4 years. I've been in multiple different programs. This is the one that I'm highly focused on getting people results with today. But I've succeeded in tons of different systems, and you're getting my expertise and my knowledge. I'm a top earner in email processing system, and I know exactly what it takes to make $500. Maybe you just want $1,000 a month, or even $10,000 per month online or more using this amazing system. Okay, so if you want to message me, you can message me at facebook.com/GarrettB20. There's going to be a link below if this is on YouTube, or you can email me, growwithgarrett@gmail.com. Or last but not least, if you just want to go ahead and get started, there's going to be a link below, or you can head to easyonlineprofitsystem.com. Check out more information and partner at the pro level to get all those incredible bonus goodies today. So thanks so much for watching, my friends. Stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe for more updates, more training, and I will talk to you very soon. God bless.